How to install plastic toggle anchors. Plastic toggle anchors are non-removable drywall anchors for light and medium-duty applications, typically paired with a sheet metal screw. For this installation, you'll require a drill bit, and a hammer or mallet. Proper hole size is important when installing a plastic toggle anchor. We list the correct drill bit size on the product details of each anchor. After drilling, make sure the hole is clear of any debris. Collapse the anchor into a flat position. Insert the anchor into the hole, gently tapping it with a hammer or mallet. Fasten your application to the anchor with a sheet metal screw. The screw will expand and secure the anchor to the backside of the drywall. For more information on sizing and installing plastic toggle anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.